T4T capital, alternative and comparison. That's what we're going to be covering in this video, so stay tuned. Up the top, you'll see we've got the prop firm and the challenge type. We've got Traders with Edge Turtle, the Traders with Edge Hare, and the T4T Capital Challenge. The size of the accounts is 100K, so we're comparing apples with apples. Now, the maximum account size after scaling is $3 million on Traders with Edge, and it's $1 million at T4T Capital. What the maximum account size after scaling refers to is most prop firms will continually add funds to the trader's funded account. So once you're on a funded account and you're trading consistently and profitably, the prop firm will continually top up your account until a maximum size. Not all prop firms will scale your account, but both Traders with Edge and T4T Capital do. It's worth noting that with Traders with Edge, to receive account scaling, you just need to pass some simple parameters. So if you're on the website traderswithedge.com, you go to challenges and scaling plans. What you'll see is a page that looks like this. You can see we've got the organic scaling plan and the rapid scaling plan. Now, with the organic scaling plan, if you make 10% net gain or more in a 4-month period and 2 out of the 4 months are profitable, then we'll increase your account by 25%. Or if you choose the rapid scaling, then there is no minimum target. As long as you're in profit and you keep your profits in the account, we'll keep our profits in the account and we'll continually add to that very quickly. So your account can scale very rapidly. Funnily enough, that's why we called it a rapid scaling. So if you're on this page, you'll notice there's a video that explains the differences between them. It's got some examples. It'll show you some charts as to how much faster a rapid scaling account will grow than a traditional type scaling account. And if you scroll right to the bottom, you'll see there's a video and a calculator, and it teaches you how to use a calculator, right? So you can play around with your own metrics here and you can figure out how much more you would receive if you had a rapid scaling account than if you used a traditional type scaling. Now, the thing to point out here is with the T4T Capital, the requirements are not the same to receive account scaling. If you go to their website, you'll see there's a number of other things that you need to pass to be able to receive account scaling. So it's not straightforward. As we put there's many requirements to receive extra capital from them. You can see the number of phases. It's a 1-phase challenge for both the Traders with Edge Turtle and the T4T Capital Challenge. The Traders with Edge Hare is a 2-phase account. The price of the challenges for the Traders with Edge Turtle is $750, the Traders with Edge Hare account is $590, and the T4T Capital is $350. Now, is the fee refundable? It's not refundable on the Turtle account, and it's not refundable on the T4T Capital Challenge account. However, on the Traders with Edge Hare account, it is refundable, and how it works is once you've passed both phases of the challenge and you're on a live funded account, when you're eligible for your first payout, we will refund that $590 back to you with your first payment. So essentially, it's not costing you anything to do the challenge. The target for phase 1, you need to hit 10% Traders with Edge. At T4T Capital, you've got to hit 10% plus your win rate has to be more than 45% for you to pass. Target for phase 2, the Traders with Edge Turtle and the T4T Capital, it's not applicable. The target for phase 2 on the Hare account is 5%. The maximum drawdown is 5% on the Turtle account, 10% on the Hare account, and 4% on the T4T Capital Challenge. The daily drawdown is 2.5%. Traders with Edge Turtle, it's 5% on the Traders with Edge Hare, and T4T Capital has a weekly drawdown limit, not a daily, and so that's 2% for the week. If we scroll right down, the profit share is 80% at Traders with Edge from day one. So as soon as you've got your funded account, you keep 80% of any profits that you generate on your funded account. At the T4T Capital, you receive up to 80%. So you actually start on 60%, and then as you trade and you're consistent and you receive some payouts, then they'll increase it up to 70% and then up to 80% after some time. The minimum trading days for phase 1 is minimum 10 days for Traders with Edge. There's no minimum trading days at T4T Capital. Minimum trading days for phase 2 is not applicable for the Turtle or T4T Capital. There is 10 minimum trading days that you need to make for phase 2 on the Hare account. The trading period is 365 days for the Turtle. It's 30 days for the Hare, and T4T Capital says there is no maximum trading days for their phase 1 challenge account. However, you're probably not going to be still trying to pass the challenge in 10 years time from now. The trading period for phase 2 is only applicable for the hair, and you've got 60 days to pass. So you've got 60 days to make 5% on the hair. Can you hold over weekends? You cannot hold over weekends on the Traders with Edge hair or T4T capital, but you can hold trades over weekend on the Turtle account. Can you use EAs? You can use EAs on both prop firms. The only difference is seek approval at Traders with Edge first. And the reason why we say this is because every prop firm has a rule that says you cannot trade exactly the same strategy as another trader who's trading with the prop firm. So you can't copy someone else's trades who's already with that prop firm. And if you've gone and purchased an EA from a marketplace and 1,000 other people have purchased that same EA and they're trading at the prop firm as well, guess what? The prop firm will pick up that you're trading using the same EA. You will lose your account anyway. Do they allow signals? Yes, you can trade with signals on all accounts. You can trade news on all accounts. Do you get a free retry? You don't get a free retry on the Traders with Edge Turtle or the T4T Capital because it doesn't make any sense that you've got so long to be able to pass the challenge that you would get a free retry after a year. However, on the hair account, you do get a free retry. And how this works is if the time has run out for you to pass the challenge, your account is in profit and you haven't violated any other rules, then we will give you a free retry automatically to pass the challenge again. Can you trade Forex? Yes, to all accounts. Can you trade digital currencies? You can on Traders with Edge. You cannot with T4T Capital. Can you trade commodities? Yes, you can on all accounts. You can trade indices on all accounts. You can trade share stock CFDs on Traders with Edge, but you cannot at T4T Capital. Do they have trading competitions? Yes, Traders with Edge has trading competitions, so you can sign up and trade a demo account and trade against a bunch of other traders online. The top traders win a challenge account, and then you can go on to be funded from there. T4T Capital doesn't have any trading competitions that we know of. Do they have any giveaways? Traders with Edge has giveaways. Here's an example of a giveaway that we ran recently. You could enter your name and email address to go in the draw to win one of 3 $50,000 prop challenge accounts. We may or may not have this giveaway at the time you see this video, but this is an example of one of the types of giveaways that we have run in the past and we will probably run in the future as well. T4T Capital doesn't have any sort of giveaways that we can see. Do they have trader education? Yes, both firms have trader education. Do they have an affiliate program? Both of them have an affiliate program. Traders with Edge pays up to 20% for the lifetime of the client. So if you refer someone to us, we'll pay you up to 20% of what they spend with us. And it doesn't matter if you refer them today and then they purchase today or they purchase in 2 years, we will still pay you. So it's kind of like having a passive income stream once you have referred someone to us. T4T Capital has an affiliate program and they will pay 15% for what people spend with them. So that concludes our T4T Capital comparison and alternative. If you've got any questions, go to the website traderswithedge.com and talk to us on live chat, join the Telegram group, or leave a comment below this video and we're happy to get back to you with any questions that you've got. We're looking forward to seeing you as one of our next funded traders. Have a great day.